Based on the change of name, the Apple Watch Ultra was meant to be Apple's high-end watch with premium features, and it is fair to say that it delivered spectacularly.
There's no doubt about that!
With an impressive 60 hours of battery life, a rugged yet lightweight case, protection against falls, and a plethora of advanced features, you are in for a treat. In this video, we'll be highlighting 3 of the key features of this amazing watch. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Ruggedness. Let's start off with the rugged nature of the Apple Watch Ultra. Unlike other Apple Watches, such as the Apple Series 8 made of stainless steel and aluminum, the Ultra is made of titanium. So much has been made of this material that the company has boldly stated on its official Apple Watch Ultra website, "Meet the most rugged and capable Apple Watch ever."
That's quite an introduction.
Specifically, the watch uses aerospace-grade titanium for the chassis, which offers a number of advantages as compared to stainless steel. One of such key advantages is the fact that titanium has a tough material.
It is indestructible!
And ensures that Apple Watch Ultra can withstand significant fall.
In 3, 2, 1. What do we have on the front? Apple Watch survived the drop. There's no crack.
Similarly, the Apple Watch Ultra has been put through a tough mutter, but was able to survive as well. More on that shortly. It has to be noted that in addition to the use of titanium, Apple employed other materials in order to achieve certain features. For example, just like the Series 7, Apple combined titanium with sapphire crystal lens to help resist scratches. In addition, there is the use of ceramic and sapphire crystal to help protect the sensor array at the back of the watch. Other significant features to note about the Apple Watch body are raised edges to protect the completely flat display from edge impacts and a protruding bumper to help offer protection for the digital crown. We certainly cannot ignore the water resistance features that the Apple Watch Ultra brings on board. With a WR100 water resistance rating, the watch is capable of withstanding pressure at about 100 meters.
That's just marvelous, isn't it?
In addition, it has a EN 13319 diving certification, although the company has admonished users to just never exceed depths of 40 meters with the device. The Apple Watch Ultra also has an IP6X rating with regards to dust protection, while it has also been tested according to MIL STD 800 and 10A standards, and has passed several environmental-related tests. Perhaps the toughness of the watch is best described by the experiment conducted one writer. ZDNet's Matthew Miller put the Apple Watch Ultra through the Tough Mudder, an obstacle-filled endurance marathon that includes an ice-cold water pool full of shocking electric eels and mountains of mud-filled barricades. It sounds like a fun weekend out, so how did the Apple Watch Ultra do? To my surprise, it held up really well, and I still cannot believe that the display is flawless, wrote Miller. This channel also offers some flawless and incredible content on everything Apple products, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated.
That's what I'm talking about!
Battery. Another key thing to consider with the Apple Watch Ultra is the battery life. As compared to other Apple Watches, the latest version boasts a far superior battery life. This is particularly due to the fact that the company built the watch for adventurers who might be out for hikes and many other activities. Speaking of activities, Apple has introduced a new siren feature that allows adventurers to seek help in cases of emergency. More details on that shortly, so stay tuned. On the current battery life, while the Ultra can last for about 36 hours, the previous models can only last for 18 hours. That is about twice of battery life and shows the premium nature of the Ultra. In comparing the current model to previous models, Kate Kozich suggested that the Ultra's battery life could exceed the 36 hours. She wrote for Tom's Guide. The Apple Watch Ultra lasted nearly 48 hours with what I would consider normal use. This is more than double my battery life experience with the Apple Watch Series 8. Interestingly, Apple introduced a new low power setting to the Apple Watch Ultra that could allow it to have about 60 hours of battery life on a single charge. So potentially you could use the Apple Watch Ultra for close to 3 days without charging, which is pretty much incredible. Anyway, that is our opinion. But what is your opinion on the battery life? Do you think it should be extended? Share your thoughts with us. Let's continue. While the company has labeled it as the multi-day adventure battery life, the features only works in certain situations. According to the company, when the low battery mode is activated, battery will be preserved while performing certain activities such as walking, running, and hiking. Features. Now, let's go ahead to share some insights into some of the fascinating features on the Apple Watch Ultra. In fact, there are several intriguing features, but we will touch on just a couple of them in this video. The first is the siren feature. In all of Apple's previous watch models, there have been some intriguing safety options, but this takes it to a level higher. Just as the name suggests, the siren is a feature that draws the attention of people for help through sounds. It is capable of emitting an 86 dB sound at a range of up to 600 feet. This can be helpful in the woods or on the mountains when you desperately need help. Apple has also provided a unique sound that is similar to popular SOS signals to make it easier to get emergency help. As pointed out earlier, the siren can sound for several hours until you are able to get the help you need. In terms of interacting with it on your screen, the watch usually displays a red border as well as an action button that allows you to call emergency services once the feature has been activated.
911, what's your emergency?
In addition to helping you get help when in trouble, the Apple Watch Ultra can also help you stay fit. This can be done in 3 major stages. First of all, the Apple Watch can help you start a workout routine. With this, you can use the action button, if configured, to start a workout. And due to the variety of workouts available, you can choose from swimming, running on a daily or weekly basis. Once that is done, you can customize it in order to see the metrics from your workout. And this leads us into the second stage, where the watch helps you get insights into how much you exercise during a day. Your Apple Watch Ultra tracks how much you move, how often you stand up, and how long you exercise each day. In addition, you are able to set workouts goals to help keep you on track. It is also worth mentioning that you can view the detailed versions of your insights on your iPhone and even compare your output to that of last year. This will help you understand whether you are making enough progress or retrogressing. Another minor but significant feature is the ability to record a choice memo on your Apple Watch. So supposing you are out on an exploration and remember to put a few thoughts down, the voice memo feature on the watch will be super helpful. The feature could be essential in recording even meetings without using your phone. In order to use the voice memo function, you can choose it from the home screen or equally ask Siri to do that for you.
Very easy to use.
And just like that, you can record your important messages. Perhaps even more impressive is the fact that voice memos on your watch can be synced to iCloud and your devices that you are connected to. Without a doubt, the aforementioned features of the Apple Watch Ultra makes the watch an incredible choice for many. But it will interest you to know that there are other numerous functions you can perform on the Apple Watch Ultra, and we have listed them all in our next video. Make sure you don't procrastinate and skip, as it will help you make the most out of your Apple Watch Ultra.